Yes. Good morning to everyone. Binomial theorem, subject to everything we completed. Now you are entering to objective. In case if anybody ఎవరైనా వినకపోయినా ఏదైనా కాన్సెప్ట్ కావాలనుకుంటే ఒకసారి ఆ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని బైనామియల్ థియరమ్ ఎక్సైజ్ 3.1 బిఫోర్ సమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ప్రైసమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ డిస్కస్ చేశాను మీతో. నోట్స్ కూడా పీడిఎఫ్ ఫార్మాట్ పంపించాను. వన్స్ యూ కెన్ రీడ్ ద సినాప్సిస్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, then only possible to understand the otherwise unable to understand the problems. డైరెక్ట్ స్టెప్స్ రాయాలన్నా ఆబ్జెక్ట్లో మీ సబ్జెక్టివ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటే ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సబ్జెక్టివ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ డిఫికల్ట్ అవుతుంది. క్లాసెస్ కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్స్ లేవు, కాలేజీ లేదు కదా అనుకుంటే కాదు. టెన్షన్ తీసుకోకుండా డైలీ 1 అవర్ చెప్పిన క్లాసు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్ టు యూ. మనకి కెరియర్ అనేది లైఫ్ లాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ 1 మంత్ 1 ఇయర్తో పోదు. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ అంతా ఉంది కాబట్టి మన లైఫ్ కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి. కాబట్టి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎంత క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ఉంటే అంత మంచిగా ఉంటుంది తర్వాత. ఓకేనా? కమింగ్ టు ఫస్ట్ బైనామియల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ x7 అండి. రేషియో ఆఫ్ ది మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్. ఐ గివెన్ వన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ x plus a whole power n. n is odd, then tn plus 1 by 2 comma tn plus 3 by 2 are the middle terms. tn plus 1 by 2 comma tn plus 3 by 2 are the middle terms. General term in the expansion tr plus 1 is ncr x power n minus r a power r. In place of x you have px cube, in place of a you have q by x squared. In place of n is the 15. Index n equal to 15. This is the odd. Suppose n is even case, then only one middle term tn by 2 plus 1. The concept already I discussed in the first exercise. Now n is odd, so middle term ratio of middle terms equal to tn by 2 plus 1. That means 15 plus 1 by 2 is to t 15 plus 3 by 2. 15 plus 1, 16 by 2 means t8 is to t9. t8 is to t9. This can be done at t7 plus 1 is to t8 plus 1. What is NCR? tr plus 1 formula I have. tr plus 1 is NCR x power n minus r a power r. This is the x plus a whole power n. n is the 15. Substitute in the formula 15c7. x means px cube whole power. 15 minus 7 is 8. a power r. a means q by x square. Whole power r means 7 is 2. Again in place of r is now 8. Same formula you can use 15c8. x means px cube whole power. 15 minus 8 is 7. q by x square whole power 8. Now px cube whole power 7, here 8 times, so 7 times cancel, remaining 1 time. 7 times cancel q by x square, 1 time remaining. 15c8 equal to 15c8 value equal to 15c. 15 minus 8 is 7. Both are equal, these two also get cancelled. Then remaining is px cube is 2 q by x square. Multiply by whole ratio x square. Px cube into x square is px power 5 is to x square into q by x square is x square cancel, we get the q. This is the answer. Copy that problem. Copy that. Coming to next one, numerically greatest sum in the expansion. That note point we know that already. If the given expansion a plus b whole power n, b by a, mod b by a less than 1. You should remember mod b by a less than 1 means obviously the formula you can remember n plus 1 into mod b by mod a plus mod b If it is an integer p, if in an integer p, then tp comma tp plus 1 are numerically greatest sums. Tp comma tp plus 1 are numerically greatest sums. Suppose if it is not an integer, means p plus f, then obviously tp plus 1 is the numerically greatest sum. Tp plus 1 is the numerically greatest sum. If it is not an integer, means some 10.1. 10.1 can be 10 plus 0.1. So at the case p plus f, then tp plus 1, the integral part plus 1 is the numerically greatest sum. Now given expansion 2x minus 3y, see this. Two x minus 3y whole power 12. This is the a plus b whole power n. N is the 12, a is 2x, b is the 3y. So we can find n plus 1 into mod b by mod a plus mod b. That is n is the 12 plus 1. Mod b means modulus of minus 3y by mod a means 2x plus mod minus 3y. X is given 1, y is given 5 by 2. This is a 13 into 3 into 5 by 2. Modulus of negative value is the positive. 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 5 by 2. After simplification we get 13 into 15 by 4 plus 15, 19 will get. That is a 13 15 is 130, 13 5 65, 195 by 19. That is a 10.2. 10.2. 10.2 means this is a 10 plus 0.2. Then numerically greatest term NGT means numerically greatest term is TP plus 1, that is a 10 plus 1, 11th term. 11th term is a numerically greatest term. Copy this. Today I am going to explain basic concept in the binomial theorem based on the objective. Coming to next one. Number of terms in the expansion of this is in the form of x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n. Number of terms formulas are given. Once you can read the synopsis. In this case, if n is odd, number of terms are n plus 1. So now coming to n is given, power n is 9, it is odd. So number of terms equal to n plus 1, that is a 9 plus 1, 10. Now coming to, generally x plus a whole power n, number of terms are n plus 1. Sorry, in this case n plus 1 by 2, no, number of terms are n plus 1 by 2. So 10 by 2 equal to n plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2 equal to 5. Number of terms are 5. If it is given x plus a whole power n, then number of terms are n plus 1. In this case, x plus a, it is in the form of x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n for n is odd case. N is even cases have. One case n by 2 plus 1, between plus is a n by 2 plus 1, between if it is a minus is a n by 2. Those formulas already are given. Now coming to, we have the number of terms of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xr whole power n. Or n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1. This is the formula for number of terms in the expansion of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xr whole power n r n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1. When these all x1, x2, x3 and so on xr are the different variables. But coming to in this case, all variables are contain x other than excluding one, remaining all terms contain x. So this can be written as 1 plus x cube whole cube whole power 9. That is the a power m whole power n, that is a power mn, x power 3 into 9, 27. So this is in the form of this form. So number of terms n plus 1, 27 plus 1, that is 28. Again I am repeating, excluding one, remaining all terms contain x. So this expression converting into x plus a whole power n. Obviously this is the 1 plus x whole cube, whole power 9 is there, so total 1 plus x whole power 27. This is in the form of x plus a whole power n, then number of terms formula n plus 1. If different variables are there, then you can apply n plus r minus 1, c r minus 1. Coming to in this case, a, b, c, d, e, total you have 5 different variables. 5 different variables, that is r. N equal to 3. N equal to 3. Then number of terms equal to n plus r minus 1, c r minus 1. 3 plus 5 minus 1, c 5 minus 1. So 8 minus 1, 7c4. 7c4 means 7 degree by 4 times. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 4 cancel, 3 2 6 cancel, 7 5 is 35 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to next one. A and B respectively quotient of x power m, x power n. A is the quotient of x power m, B is the quotient of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power m plus n. One more point you can see. So 1 plus x whole power n. In this case, general term we have tr plus 1, we have ncr x power r. ncr x power r. In this case, quotient of x power r equal to ncr. Quotient of x power r equal to ncr. In place of n, we have m plus n. So a I taken the quotient of x power m. In place of r is m now. In place of n is m plus n. Substitute in the formula m plus n cm. B is given quotient of x power n. In place of r now n. In place of n we have m plus n. m plus n cn. We had one formula ncr equal to ncn minus r. ncr equal to ncn minus r you can apply. So this is the m plus n c. m plus n minus n. That is m plus n c m. n get cancel m. m plus n c m means that is a a. So finally we got the answer a equal to b. A equal to b is the answer. Copy that problem. One thing you can remember, Zoom class కన్నా యూట్యూబ్ క్లాసెస్ పంపిస్తుంది. పర్టికులర్గా క్వశ్చన్ పర్టికులర్ బోర్డ్ మీద ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఉంటుంది, ఫార్ములా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఉంటుంది, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కవర్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో 2-3 టైమ్స్ ఆ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని, ఆ యూట్యూబ్ లింక్ని చూసుకోవచ్చు. పాజ్ కొట్టేసి ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కాపీ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇందులో స్మార్ట్ టీవీ ఉంటే ఆ స్మార్ట్ టీవీలో డైరెక్ట్గా సెల్ ఫోన్ లేకపోయినా స్మార్ట్ టీవీలో యూట్యూబ్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకొని దానిలో పర్టికులర్ వీడియో కరెస్పాండింగ్ వీడియో సెట్ చేస్తే జరుగుతుంది. ఆ వీడియోని చూడొచ్చు. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ టు యూ. ఎందుకంటే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో స్టేట్ బోర్డు కానీ సెంట్రల్ బోర్డు కానీ ఏ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ తీసుకున్నా ఎంత పర్సెంట్ తగ్గించినా సిలబస్ 30% తగ్గించినాక 40% తగ్గించినా మెయిన్ టాపిక్స్ అయితే డిలీట్ చేయరు. ఎందుకంటే ఈ టాపిక్స్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ అవుతాయి, బట్ హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. సో అక్కడ మీరు సఫర్ అవ్వద్దంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల్సిందే. ఓకేనా? ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. స్టే హోమ్ అండ్ స్టే సేఫ్. Learn properly subject. Now coming to questions number 7. If the quotient of 3rth term and r plus 2 terms in the expansion 1 plus x whole power 2n are equal. First you have to find 1 plus x whole power n. What is the tr plus 1 formula? ncr x power r. The quotient is ncr. So same like given in place of when 2n is given. 1 plus x whole power 2n. So tr plus 1 formula 2ncr x power r. This is a general formula. Now T 3R. 3R you can write something plus 1. So that can be done 3R minus 1 plus 1. So in place of R now 3R minus 1. Substitute in the formula 2NC 3R minus 1 expo 3R minus 1. In this case quotient of 3R at the term is 2NC 3R minus 1. Next TR plus 2. That can be TR plus 1 plus 1. So 2NC R plus 1 x power R plus 1. In this case quotient is 2NC R plus 1. These two quotients are equal is given. Equate the both quotients. 2NC 3R minus 1 equal to 2NC R plus 1. We have the formula NCR equal to NCS. Either R equal to S or R plus S equal to N. NCR equal to NCS means either R equal to S or R plus S equal to N. That means you want to find the value of N. First condition does not contain N. So you can apply the second condition. So 3R minus 1 plus R plus 1 equal to 2N. 2N equal to 4R. N equal to 2R. Copy that problem. Coming to this question, note point NCR minus 1 comma NCR plus 1 are in AP. Then satisfy the condition n minus 2R whole square equal to n plus 2. NCR minus 1 comma NCR plus 1 are in AP. Then satisfy the condition n minus 2R whole square equal to n plus 2. This proof already we did in IPA. Now coming to the given NC4 comma NC5 comma NC6. That means in place of R you have the 5. R in AP is given. That in place n minus 2R. So n minus 2 into 5 whole square equal to n plus 2. And then obviously n minus 2 into means 5. N minus 10 whole square equal to n plus 2. Expand, you can find the n value. N square plus 100 minus 20n equal to n plus 2. Take into left hand side n square minus 21n plus 98 equal to 0. 14 7 jar n minus 14 into n minus 7. So n equal to 14 comma 7. N equal to 14 comma 7. Copy that problem. Coming to this problem, see the note point. Observe that we know the 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus x whole power n we have c0 plus c1x plus c2x square and so on cn x power n. Cn x power n. In place of x they given as 2. That means c0 plus 2 times of c1 plus 4 times of c2 plus and so on. 2 power n into cn equal to 243. That is the c0 plus c1 into 2 plus c2 into 2 square plus and so on cn into 2 power n equal to 243. So this is in the form of this form. So that formula left hand value is 1 plus x whole power n. So in place of x you have 2. 1 plus 2 whole power n equal to 243. That is 3 power n equal to, this is the 3 power 5. So n equal to 5. 81 3 jar. 81 means 3 power 4. 3 power 4 into 3, 3 power 5. N equal to 5 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to next problem, we have the formula 1 plus x whole power n. C0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus and so on Cn x power n. That observe suffix n is a power n, suffix 2 is a power 2, suffix 1 you have power 1, suffix 0 power 0 you have. But again Cn 2 power n minus 1, C3 2 square is given, C2 2 power 1, that means less than 1 2 have. So whole inequality multiply and divide by 2. The multiplying term multiply say to each every term. 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 NC0 plus NC1 into 2 plus NC2 into 2 into 2 2 square plus NC3 into 2 cube plus and so on NCn into 2 power n minus 1 into 2 2 power n. Now in this formula in place of x you have obviously 2. So substitute on the place of x 2, 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2 whole power n, that is 3 power n by 2 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to this one, left hand side value you can take as x. Left hand side value you have take as s. That is 2n plus 1 c0 plus 2n plus 1 c1 2n plus 1 c2 plus and so on 2n plus 1 cn. We have the formula NCR equal to NCn minus r. NCR equal to NCn minus r. So one more s, 2n plus 1 c0 can be written as 2n plus 1 c 2n plus 1 minus 0. Apply this formula, then 2n plus 1 c 2n plus 1 will get. If we apply the same formula to this term, we get 2n plus 1 c 2n will get. Same formula you have to apply this third term, we get 2n plus 1 c 2n plus 1 minus 2 is 2n minus 1 plus and so on. You can apply it to last term the same formula, 2n plus 1 see difference of the both 2n plus 1 minus n, that is n plus 1. Adding the both expansions, we get left hand side s plus s is the 2s. First term 2n plus 1 c0 plus 2n plus 1 c1 plus 2n plus 1 c2 plus and so on. Last term 2n plus 1 cn plus 2n plus next condition n after n plus 1, 2n plus 1 c n plus 1 plus and so on. Last term you have 2n plus 1 c 2n plus 1. Sum of all binomial quotients. We have the formula C0, that means in place of x you can put the 1. In place of x you can put the 1. We get C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 and so on. Cn equal to 1 plus 1 whole power n, that is 2 power n. Yes, C0 means NC0. C0 means NC0, NC1, NC2 up to and so on, NCn. Value is 2 power n. In place of n now, right hand side 2n plus 1. So right side value is 2 power 2n plus 1. So that implies 2s equal to 2 times of 2 power 2n. A power m plus n can be as a power m into a power n. So 2 get cancelled. S is 2 power 2n. Obviously you should remember sum of all half of the binomial quotients. Sum of half of the binomial quotient value is 2 power n minus 1. Sum of half of the binomial quotient value is 2 power n minus 1. In place of n here 2n plus 1. So total number of terms 2n plus 2 will get. In the 2n plus 2 half of the terms are n plus 1. Starting with 0 up to n means total terms here sum of this sum n plus 1. That means sum of half of the binomial quotients. Sum of half of the binomial quotients I said 2 power n minus 1. In place of n you have 2n plus 1 minus 1. 1 get cancelled, obviously 2 power 2n. That is the final answer. That method also you can use, direct method. S is the 2n plus 1 C0, 2n plus 1 C1 plus and so on, 2n plus 1 Cn is 2 power 2n. Sum of the half of the binomial quotients is 2 power n minus 1. That formula you can apply directly, we get the answer. Not necessary to rule with this every step. Copy that problem. Coming to next question, 13th one. This one I will write NC naught. NC naught plus NC1 plus NC2 plus and so on. NCN whole square. By this one I will write 2NC naught. 2NC1 plus 2NC2 plus and so on. 2NCN. 2NC2N. Last term is 2NC2N. Sum of all binomial quotients you have, that is 2 power n, 2 power n whole square. Denominator is also sum of all binomial quotient, in place of n 2n you have, so 2 power 2n. A power m whole power n, a power mn 2 power 2n by 2 power 2n, both will get cancelled 1. Coming to sum of the up to 21 seat 10 only given. Actually in place of n you have 21. Number of terms n plus 1, that is 21 plus 1, 22 terms. 22 terms, half of the terms are 10, 11. So given sum of the half of the binomial quotients. Previously I said sum of half of the binomial quotient value is 2 power n minus 1. That is 2 power 21 minus 1, that is 2 power 20 is the answer. Directly we will get the answer. Otherwise you want to go the procedure means you can go for procedure. So you should remember sum of the half of the binomial quotient. Whenever you will apply the formula, you can check half of the quotients are there or not there. If it is there, you can apply 2 power n minus 1. If it is not there means don't apply the formula. So you can give an expansion, you can take S 21 C naught plus 21 C1 plus 21 C2 plus and so on 21 C10. NCR equal to NC n minus R. You have to apply the formula is 21C, 21 minus 0, 21 plus 21C, 21 minus 1 is 20, 21C, 21 minus 2 is 19 plus and so on, 21C, 21 minus 1 is 11. If you add both S plus S is the 2S equal to 21C naught plus 21C1 plus 21C2 plus and so on plus 21C10. In the second expansion minimum 21C11, last term is 21C21. Sum of all binomial quotients value is 2 power n, n is 21. So S equal to 2 power 21 by 2, that is 2 power 21 minus 1, that is 2 power 20. A power n by A power n, A power n minus n, that is 2 power 21 minus 1, that is 2 power 20. Copy that. Next 15th one. C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square plus and so on plus C25 square. We have the formula C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square plus and so on. Cn square is 2NCn. In place of n you have 25 have. In place of n they given 25. So substitute in the formula C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square plus and so on C25 whole square is 2 times of n means 25 Cn 25. 2 into 25 is 50, C 25 is the answer. Copy that. Now coming to the next problem. We have the formula C0 square minus C1 square plus C2 square minus and so on. Alternate plus and minus are there plus C minus 1 whole power n into Cn square. This formula is minus 1 whole power n into Nc n by 2, sorry, minus 1 whole power n by 2 into Nc n by 2 when n is even, 0 when n is odd. Odd అయితే వాల్యూ 0 అవుతుందన్నా, ఈవెన్ అయితే you have minus 1 whole power n by 2 into Nc n by 2. In place of n now they given 2n. 2n is even, so you can apply the first formula. So 2n c naught whole square minus 2n c1 whole square plus 2n c2 whole square and so on plus 2n c 2n whole square. 2n is even means you can apply the formula minus 1 whole power n by 2, that is 2n by 2 into 2n c 2n by 2, that is a minus 1 whole power n into 2n c n by 2. This is the answer. Coming to next question. About this we had the formula. These all formulas we did in IPE. C0 into Cr plus C1 into Cr plus 1 plus C2 into Cr plus 2 plus and so on Cn minus R into Cr n equal to 2nc n minus R equal to 2nc n minus R or 2nc n plus R also you can take it. 2nc n minus R or 2nc n plus R, that is your choice. You can apply any formula. NCR equal to nc n minus R. So 2nc n minus R equal to 2nc n plus R. So C0 into C2 plus C1 into C3 plus C2 into C4 plus and so on Cn minus 2 into Cn. In place of R you have 2, so apply the 2nc n minus R n minus 2 is the answer, or 2nc n plus 2 also answer. Copy it. Coming to next problem, next concept. If the quotient of x square and x power 4 in the expansions are m and n, then find the value of m by n. We know the formula ax power p plus b by x power q whole power n. You want to find the quotient of x power r is ncr a power n minus r b power r, where r value have np minus k by p plus q. R formula have np minus k by p plus q. You want to find the quotient of x square. This is x power 1 by 3 plus 2 by x power 1 by 3 whole power 18. This is the a into x power p plus b by x power q whole power n. N you have 18, p equal to 1 by 3, q equal to 1 by 3, a value 1, b value 2. So quotient of x square is m, quotient of x power 4 is n. So this is x power k. So R formula you have to find np minus k by p plus q. N is the 18 into 1 by 3 minus k means 2 by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So R equal to 6 minus 2, 4 by 2 by 3, that is the 2 2s are 3 zeros, 6 will get in this case. So quotient of m equal to quotient of x square. Formula is ncr a power n minus r b power r. A is 1, b is 2, substitute in the formula, r is 6, 18c6, 1 power 18 minus 6 means 1, b means 2, 2 power 6 is the quotient of x square. Next you have to find the quotient of x power 4 means k is the 4. Same formula, in place of r is k. Sorry, in place of k is 4 you have to substitute. 18 into 1 by 3 minus 4 by p plus q, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 6 minus 4, 2, 2 by 2 by 3, that is 3 will get. So you can substitute in the same formula, but the value is given n, quotient of x power 4, that is 18c3, 2 power 3. They ask him to find m by n. sorry now just 1 minute. M by n equal to 18c6 2 power 6 by 18c3 2q. 18c6 means if we simplify 18 3 by 6 times 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14 13 by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 whole divided by 18c3 means 18 degree by 3 times 18 into 17 into 16 by 3 into 2 into 1 2 power 6 by 2q means 2q will get cancel everything. Next to 18 17 16 cancel it. Next to 15 into 16 into this is the 15 into 14 into 13 by 6 into 5 into 4 into 2q 2q 2 2 3 is 3 5 is 15 cancel 14 13 is 182 is the answer. Coming to next one, find the sum of all quotients they are asking. Sum of all quotient means if it is different variable, all variables you can take as 1. Find the sum of all quotient means you can take all variables as 1. That is 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 whole power 12. So that is 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 3 by 3 1 whole power 12. 2 power 12 is the answer. Copy it. X value, y value, both values you can take the 1. You get sum of all quotients. Suppose sometimes they ask in the single, it contains single variable. Find the sum of even powers of x they are asking. At the time f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. Sometimes sum of odd powers of x. That means f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. Copy that. Twenty-one. See, this type of questions you can do one thing. Sum of expansion we get x terms, we get all terms. Sum of even powers of x. Given expansion you can take as f of x. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube whole power 7. They are asking sum of quotients of terms of even powers of x. X equal to f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. In this expansion, in place of x you can take as 1. In place of x you can take as 1. We get 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, 0 power 7. If we take minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole cube minus minus into minus plus. This is a 4 power 7 by 2. 0 power 7 is 0. 4 power 7 is 2 square whole power 7 by 2. 2 power 14 by 2, that is 2 power 13. Now coming to sum of, they are asking odd powers. Even powers means you can take f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. Odd powers of x means you can take it as f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. Given f of expression you can take as f of x 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube whole power 9. So odd powers of x f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. So if we take f of 1 0, that becomes 0 power 9. F of minus 1 means 1 minus of minus plus 1, 1 minus 1 to minus plus 1, that is 4 power 9 by 2. So 4 means 2 square minus 2 power 2 square whole power 9 means 2 power 18 by 2. That is the minus 2 power 17. Copy it. Nineteen 21 I explained 22. Between 20 problem I will explain on Monday remaining problems. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will explain next class remaining problems. Copy it.